Hi, this is Sandra. My backyard is a mess. I did not do anything about it, so I'm going to try to work on this back fence. So, what I have here is an apple tree. It's an apple tree that I planted when I did that 2 cent sale video about 2 years ago. It's growing pretty rapidly. It's doing okay, but I don't see no apples on it, but it's growing pretty rapidly, so it will stay. And this thing right here, I don't know what this monstrosity is, but it's got legs sometimes. So I think I might let it stay and see what I could do with that, but not really. Now this is another crepe myrtle I didn't get a chance to cut down, but I might let this go, cut this out. This is a rose bush that I got. It's called knockabout roses. It's red. And I might have to trim this up. I don't think I'll let that go. But this old cedar tree will have to go. This cedar tree will have to go. I'm going to keep all those roses. Right here is a lot of vines for blackberries. I'm going to have to take all that up. And look how the ground look. The ground needs fixing up. And this is a branch I threw over there, which I didn't need to do. There's another crepe myrtle. I might leave that in the middle. I'm not sure if the crepe myrtle, I don't know if it was a weed, just grew up or whatever. But I'll decide whether to keep it or not. Like I said, these are blackberry uh, vines coming up. There's a pin oak tree. And I guess that's another crepe myrtle there too. I guess I was crepe myrtle crazy. And this is another one of those plants. I don't know what with the legs. I don't know what the name of that is. And here's another crepe myrtle. No, this is not a crepe myrtle. This is a pear tree. This right here is a pear tree. This pear tree will have to stay. I see a little green frog over there on it. Look at that little green frog there, y'all. Y'all can see his little body right there. There he is right there. He can go. Let's go. And here's another crepe myrtle. And I guess I went crepe myrtle crazy for this wall back here. Maybe it was on sale, I bought it. And my rosemary have just gone bye-bye. A little rosemary on there, but not a lot. So that's what the back wall looked like. This back fence. And the other side of the fence was a house where I raised my kids. It's a house back there, but we tore it down on over this back fence years and years ago. So now what I'm going to do is show you how the back fence looks. So when I start working on it, y'all know what it looked like before and after. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do and start, but this is what the back fence looked like. And it's a mess in this backyard, as you can see. But I'm going to do my best with the help of the Lord to get this back fence looking better than what it looked. It's going to be a task. These are pomosa trees all up in there. We're known for pomosa trees up in Mississippi. So this is what the backyard look like. So I wanted to show y'all. So when I start working on it, you say, well, she worked on it. This is what I'm going to tell you. Thank you for watching.